welcome back to ESENtaxa. Andrea Papito here, and in this video I just want to show you a little piece of the ESENtaxa Academy online course. In this specific slice of video, in this specific extract of video, you will see how to extend the impatriate regime, which is normally stands for 5 years, up to 10 years. So in order to have this big tax reduction, not just for 5 years, but for 10 long years. And you can do this just combining the purchase of a real estate in Italy as a residential property while you apply the impatriate regime. So there is this specific law that allows you to extend the impatriate regime and pay a lot less taxes for 10 years. The problem is that the second part of these 5 years, you won't have the 90% deduction as the first 5 years, but there is always a trick to use in order to reduce as much as possible your RPF to pay. In this lesson, we will check how the impatriate regime could be combined with the real estate investment and what's the benefit of combining these two elements together. So we know already that basically the impatriate regime allows us to reduce our imposable income of 90% if, for example, our imposable income is like 50,000 euro per year as revenue. If we relocate to south of Italy, we have this 90% of deduction. So our imposable income for taxes, it's only 5K. And if we relocate in the center of Italy or north, then we have 70% of deduction, having imposable only 15K, okay? And I also calculate the number. If this 5K goes to the RPF taxation, progressive bond rates, it comes out with 1,150 euro. Otherwise, if we apply 15K in our RPF taxation progressive rate, we have 3,450 euro. And this is our RPF. RPF is the amount of tax to pay. This reduction, based on our geographical relocation in Italy, stands for 5 years. Okay, so for 5 years, I will be benefit from this tax regime. So, but what about the real estate? So if we purchase a property in Italy, the law says that we can extend this time for other 5 years. And this is a quite good benefit, but the constraint is that we have to purchase a property, a residential property in Italy, and this purchase can be done either 12 months before your 5 years or during these 5 years of time, but of course before their expiration. In this way, we can extend for other 5 years our impatriate regime status. The thing is that once we are in this second time frame here, in all over the country, the impatriate regime is not so favorable like in the previous 5 years, because we have a deduction of 50% of the imposable income, which give us back like 25,000 K, which is an RPF of 6,150 K. So as you can see in the second part of this regime, we don't have really much big advantages as the first part. It's true, the real estate investment allows us to give us this extension, but can we do better than this? Can we improve this one in the second part? Well, the answer is yes, we can, because we can keep using the real estate investment not just to extend your impatriate regime period, but also to reduce the amount of tax to pay in the second time frame. So, I hope you liked the video. Of course, the rest of the video, the rest of the simulation, the calculation with numbers to squeeze your RPF, it's included in the lesson, so we cannot reveal it, otherwise we just give it for free, the course that of course other clients paid it for. I just hope that you like the style, the way we do our video. I hope you like the content, and if you do, please click in the description below the video. There is a link to the Italian Tax Academy platform in which you can subscribe, receive for free our ebook, and first free lessons. And if you think that this could be a valuable online course for you in case of a future relocation to Italy, or if you're already in Italy, you want to know more about it, just choose between two options. One with the consultancy, with the tax simulation included, and with the online course, and the other one with the one-to-one call with a former Italian tax agent inspector. So who better than him could give you the best advices for collecting taxes, for collecting paper in case of audit, etc., etc. For the rest, just drop me an email if you have any questions at ESENtaxa@gmail.com. You will find the email in the description or below the video. And please subscribe to the channel to be always updated with the latest Italian taxes and regulation. They are soon coming with the new budget law 2022. Thank you. See you in the next video.